In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow users to edit their submitted Microsoft Forms. This is a handy feature that lets respondents go back and update their answers after they've already submitted them. Maybe they remembered something later or noticed a mistake. Either way, giving them the ability to make changes can improve the quality of your data collection and enhance user satisfaction. First, you'll need to get into Microsoft Forms. If you're not already there, open it up in your preferred web browser. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the particular Microsoft form or quiz that you'd like to adjust. Find it from your list and click on it to open. This will get you into the editing mode where you can make all the necessary tweaks. With the form open, the next step is to go into the settings. You should see a menu or button that says settings somewhere on your screen. It's usually toward the top right corner. Click on that and it will open up a variety of options related to your form. Now focus on the section that's labeled options for responses. This is where you'll find the crucial setting you're looking for. Within this section there's an option that reads allow respondents to edit their responses after submitting. This is exactly what you need to enable users to update their submissions after they've been sent. To allow this function, all you need to do is tick the checkbox next to that option. Doing so will enable this setting, making it possible for respondents to edit their entries after submission. This is helpful if you've had any feedback from users needing to correct or add to their previous responses. After you've checked that box, there's one more important step to cement these changes. You'll need to save your settings. Look for the Save button. It's often near the bottom of the settings panel. Click that and your alterations will be officially in place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled the option for users to edit their submitted responses on Microsoft Forms. This minor tweak can make a major difference in terms of your data's accuracy and user experience. Now, your respondents can have the flexibility they need to ensure their information is correct and up to date. I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy form creating. Des.